Hey everybody, Nick Bates here, and in today's video we're going to be going over a new invoicing tip. Right here we have a completed work order number 50. And we have two items that are completed. The calibrations have been completed. However, one is still awaiting that final review to review the certificate, and then one of them is getting prepped to go and get shipped back to the customer. So if you want to ensure that whomever is doing the invoicing does not accidentally invoice this work order until all equipment is in the proper state within your workflow, then what we do is we just go up here to Options, and we have Order System Preferences. If you have not looked in Order System Preferences, there are all kinds of new features and items that you could take a look at our help file with and read about. The one that I want to highlight today is this one right here, the required equipment status before invoicing. So I'm only going to allow invoicing on work orders to occur if the equipment is sitting in this tracking status. So all we do is we select that tracking status, hit OK, and let's see what happens when we go to invoice this completed work order. So we go up to Utilities, Invoice Work Orders, and we're not going to fill any of this out except for we can put something in here. Then we hit OK. From here, we're going to select work order 50. And then we just simply say add. And now you'll see this little message saying that it has equipment not marked with the status of awaiting ship prep, and it cannot be invoiced. So that's the feature that I wanted to show you guys today. You have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.